Managing a short-term rental can feel like a full-time job, but with TurnoverPing, we can put our cleaning operations on autopilot. Getting started is effortless. We just paste our Airbnb, VRBO, or Booking.com calendar link, confirm our property details like check-in and check-out times, and invite our cleaners. We handle the notifications. No app is required for them. Once we're set up, TurnoverPing works in the background. When a new booking comes in, our cleaner instantly gets a text, WhatsApp, or email with all the details, location, date, and time. They simply reply to confirm. And just like that, our calendar is synced and our turnover is scheduled. We stay in the loop with daily summaries and automatically handle any changes, from cancellations to time date adjustments. TurnoverPing, reliability on autopilot. Start now your free trial at TurnoverPing.com.